Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and on today's episode, I am going to show you how to make what I call my pizza rolls. These are not like a traditional pizza roll. We're going to just use some pizza crust and just kind of roll it like a cinnamon roll and bake them and just dip them in some delicious marinara, and they are divine. So I'm excited to share it with you. Let's get started.
Someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know, if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold